Hello everyone. Let's provide a complete solution to this. 6y to the power of 3 equal to 48. Okay, so what do? You can even decide to bring this to this side first. So we have 6y to the power of 3 minus 48 equals 0. Now what do? I can divide both sides by this, or divide all through by this. This will go with this. Then y to the power of 3 is equal, negative 48 divided by 6 will give us 8. And this is now equal to 0. What will be the next thing? Y to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so I needed to do this so I can have the same powers. And now there's a standard that a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3 is a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so this is a standard, and we are going to apply this right away, so that in place of a minus b, we'll be writing y minus 2. Then a squared will be y squared plus ab will be 2 times y, that is 2y. Then plus b squared will be 2 squared, right? And this is equal to 0. From here, we continue. Y minus 2 is one of the factors. The next factor, y squared plus 2y, is equal, okay, this is plus 4. And this is equal to 0. Now, apply 0 product rule, so that y minus 2 is equal to 0, or this quadratic expression, y squared plus 2y plus 4 will be equal to 0. And this way, well, we are having a quadratic equation there. So this will give us a solution, and this will give us two more solutions. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. So we're having 3 solutions altogether. Now, y here is equal to 0 plus 2, and y here is 2. So this is the value of y, and it is the only real solution for this equation. Now I'm going to cut this. So to get the other solutions, I pick the quadratic equation. Y squared plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. We cannot factorize this, so we use formula y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. The whole of this is over 2a. Now, let's go. Our a is 1, our b is 2, and our c is 4. Now, y here will be, in place of minus b, I have minus 2, plus or minus square root of b squared will now be 2 squared. Okay, minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 and c is 4. All of this is over 2 times 1. Now, y from here will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus. Then we have square root of 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 times 1 times 4, that will give 16, right? And the whole of this is over 2. Okay, so y now will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12. And the whole of this is over 2. 4 minus 16 is negative 12, right? Now let's continue on this other side. So we're having y to be equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12, and this is over 2. Now, y from here is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 12 multiplied by square root of -1. This is all over 2. What I've done is to pick out the negative from there. Then y again is equal to -2 plus or minus. This 12 can be broken into 4 times 3. Then multiply by square root of -1. The whole of this is over 2. Now, y from here is equal to -2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Then this root 3 will be coming down. Then multiply by square root of -1 will give us imaginary and is I. So the whole of this is over 2, right? Now, from here, there's something you must know, and it is the fact that this and this can go, and this will still go. So this means that y is now -1. Remember, if this cancels this, it is not only the negative that will be there, rather it is -1 that should be there, because it is -2 divided by 2 and it is -1. Then plus or minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, but there's no point writing the 1 over there. So we'll rather write root 3, then multiply by I. Okay, so the whole of this, okay, there's no denominator again because this has cancelled. And then we can rearrange this so that we have y is equal to -1 plus or minus I root 3. Okay, so this way you would understand that this I is no longer under the square root sign. Then let's split this, right? This is a 2-in-1 solution because y is equal to -1 plus I root 3 or -1 minus I root 3. Okay, so these are the two solutions from here. Now let's bring the 3 solutions together because that is what the equation demands. Okay, so we got the first value of y, and it is y1, which is equal to 2. So this is the first value of y. Then the second value of y, y2, is equal to -1 plus I root 3. Then the third value, y3, and is equal to -1 minus I root 3. So these are the 3 solutions to the equation.